Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow with Kit. So today's episode all about growing trees from seeds. This is a Chinese red birch which I grew from seed. This is what today's video is going to be about, growing birch trees from seed. So one of my clients has this beautiful red birch, Chinese red birch. I've got a picture, I'll try and put that on here. And they kindly let me harvest some seeds from it back in the autumn. Just before they start to fall in, so I thought I'd give them a go. It's a very easy process, so if you're interested in that, stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. Okay guys, so we've got our Chinese red birch seeds here. They're very small. Once you've separated them from the wings, they're in between these wings, which is how they are dispersed in nature via the wind. But once you've separated them, the actual seeds are very small. I'll show you them. So these are the actual seeds. All the other stuff is just to help them get caught by the wind. So we're going to sow these in this little pot. I'm going to do a few in each pot. Just make sure you separated them enough distance apart so they're easier to separate when the time comes to it. So there's the seeds in the pot, and now we're going to gently cover them over. Only a very small covering of compost. You can leave them on the surface as well. You don't necessarily have to cover them. We're going to give them a little bit of water, not too much, just a light misting. Just that. So very fine misting of water. Then we're going to cover them with this is just a sandwich bag. This will just keep the humidity in and help them to germinate, because these are going to be grown indoors, so the humidity can be quite low inside your house, so this just helps them to germinate easier. So I'll get back to you once they've germinated. Okay, so this is about 2 weeks later, and you can see one of them's come up already. So they start off quite a lot smaller than this. This has been up now for a few days. It's just starting to get its first true leaf. You can see there, the first two are seed leaves, and this is its first true leaf. So the other one should come up soon. Yeah, they might not do. I might have to sow another pot, because it did dry out a bit. As soon as they germinate, you need to remove the cover off them so they can get the air. Right, so I ended up doing another pot of seeds, and these are about 3 weeks old now. All of them germinated in this pot at around about the same time. So this is just to update you and show you what they look like at this stage. So they're all doing very well, so it'll be time to separate these soon, and I'm just going to show you in a minute the other individual one. Okay, so this is the first one again. This is about 6 weeks old now, so it's doing very well, and it's got about four sets of leaves now, and they'll be fine in this pot for a good while. They don't need much nutrients or anything. They'll grow in just sand or just soil. This is just ordinary sandy compost that I've got in these pots. So next thing will be separating out the other ones. So I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, so I've made a start on separating these Chinese birches out now. So there's one of them potted up there. It's a very simple process. You just empty them out and very gently tease them apart. The roots shouldn't be too big yet, so they shouldn't be too tangled up. And then you individually pot them. Okay, so we're done potting these up now. So they're all in their own little pots. Vary in size quite a lot, even though they are the same age. But they will all catch up to each other, and eventually they'll all be more or less the same size. So I've actually written silver birch on here, but these are red birches. And this is just to update again on, this is the single one, and this is about 8 or 9 weeks old now. It's still doing very well. Got a bit hot, so the leaves are drooping a bit, and I neglected to water it straight away, but again, they're very forgiving and very easy to grow, so it'll be perfectly fine. Okay, so this is probably going to be the last time I update you on these, but these are about 12 weeks old now, and they're almost a foot tall, some of them, about 12 inches, and they're doing extremely well. Nice healthy trees. You get variations, just how nature works. Some of them look different than others, but they are all the same, from the same tree. So they're all doing very well. Some of them have started shooting from the bottom, and I may remove the side shoots at a later date, but for now I'm just going to keep them in these pots until they're ready to go outside as soon as the weather warms up. So the roots have still not come out of the bottom of the pot yet, so they don't really have a huge root system to begin with, and they don't really need any nutrients. So anyway guys, I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay guys, so thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. So I think it's always a good idea to try and grow your own trees. Makes sense to me. And you can plant these out anytime when it starts to warm up a bit. It depends where you've grown them. If you've grown them outside to begin with, then obviously they're fine. But if you start them indoors like I did, then you'll need to wait for the weather to warm up before you put them out. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, if you could subscribe to me, that'd be great. I'll be doing some more tree videos soon, among other videos. So any questions, feel free to leave me a comment, and don't forget to like the video. Thanks a lot guys, I'll see you next time.